everybody, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer, and take advantage of the Prime Day sales and Prime Big Day deals going on now. So here we go. We have coming from llano. This is going to be the 4-in-1 high-speed card reader. Ooh, baby. Simultaneously reading 3 cards at once. Alright, brand new. Cut right here. I think I got some memory cards somewhere. I'm going to have to look for it. One more cut to go. Here we go. Nothing else. So definitely check these guys out. And of course we got 4-in-1 high-speed card reader. Looks cool. Over there. Here she is. Oh, got the USB right there. Load it up to your laptop, MacBook, PC. You know what to do. Here we go. See, watch this. USB. Android. I might actually have to buy some. Alright guys, here we go. We got it plugged in. As you can see. And right here is the RGBs. Really nice. Really cool. It's like a little light show. Hold on one sec. Here we go. Like you have it to your anything pretty much. Laptops, MacBooks. And then now, hop over. Oh boy, hold up. Alright, good deal. I got 2 memory cards, so we can try that right now. Alright guys, we're going to shove this one in here. It is reading it. And then now, we'll take the mini one. Shove it in there. Really cool. Like I said, you can run 3 of them simultaneously. I think I said it right. If I can find it in the dark. But yeah, we are good to go. There we go. Bada boom. Bada bing. Is that easy? We'll check on the computer. And there they are. So we got it all listed. Definitely check these guys out. No. SD card reader. Get it now. Be safe.